How to change currency on Airbnb. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the currency on Airbnb. To do so, first of all, open your Airbnb application on your mobile device and make sure here you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, here at the bottom you'll be able to see the navigation bar. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen and here scroll down and select payments and payouts. Once you select it, here at the top right, you'll be able to see the currently selected currency. Now you just simply need to tap on this currency and then from here you will need to choose a new currency. Scroll down to find the one that you're looking for. And once you find the one that you're looking for, you just simply need to tap on it and then you will see you have successfully changed currency on Airbnb. After changing the currency, prices will automatically update to reflect the new selection. So by following these steps, you can easily adjust or change your currency in Airbnb. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.